Holy cow. This is exactly what I dealt with on Tuesday night when I came back from Applebee's that night. The wind was like blowing in my face in the Applebee's parking lot. And this is what it looks like again. Heavy rain and gusty winds. I think they're going up to 40 miles an hour tonight. Holy cow. Holy cow. Winter's just getting started. It's here, guys. It's time we're gonna see storms like this. We might abduct hurricanes, but this is what we deal with. Listen to that wind blow. This is where we're at right now. Look at my tree dancing. This is one heck of a storm tonight. Wow. Holy cow. This is just the beginning for all the crazy to come this winter. El Nino or not, we can still see something. I'm like right under the roof. And the rain's not going in the direction I'm in. Like not going straight at me. I knew it was gonna rain tonight, but I didn't expect it to be this wicked. I expected there to be power outages tonight across Long Island. If the winds keep blowing like this, I expect power outages across Long Island tonight. It's really coming down. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is very wild. I'm glad I'm going in the shower right after this, because this is insane. This is probably just the beginning. It might just pick up later on, but who knows? Oh my gosh. Alright, enough's enough.